Download Ventoy software from the official website. After downloading, extract the files. Then open the extracted folder and click on the setup. Run as administrator. Insert your flash drive and click on install. Then type yes into the box. Click on OK. Click on yes, then click on yes. Now you have to wait for the software to finish installing on the flash drive. After the installation has finished, click on OK. Then close the software. Now open your flash drive. Then copy your Windows ISO files into the flash drive, one after the other. Now after copying all your Windows ISO files into the flash drive, then guess what? Your bootable flash drive is ready for use. If you find this video helpful, kindly follow, like, comment and share for more updates.